Ziggle TV presents.
Hello, little ocean explorers. Waterwave, let's dive in and meet 10 amazing sea animals. Ready? Let's go. Look. A happy dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and play. They talk with clicks and whistles. Can you try? Eek eek. Wow! An octopus. It has 8 arms and can change colors to hide. Super cool. It's a shark. But don't worry, not all sharks are scary. Some are small, like the bamboo shark. Look at this wiggly jellyfish. It has no brain or bones but can glow in the dark. Here's a sea turtle. Turtle. They've been around since the time of dinosaurs. A clownfish. Tropical fish, it lives inside sea anemones and never gets stung. A starfish. Did you know it can grow back its arms? That's amazing! Look at this tiny seahorse. The dad carries the babies in his pouch. A funny crab. Crab. It walks sideways and has strong claws. Wow! A huge whale. It's the biggest animal in the ocean. That was fun. Which sea animal is your favorite? Like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ziggle TV.